Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to work with a contact in Handheld Contact and do a couple things. So one, I want to show you how to send an email. So right now we have Jill Smith on the screen. I'm going to simply tap her email address and you'll see this email dialog box pops up. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in my name. I'm going to go down to the text area after typing in my name in the subject line, and I'm just going to type in Tony was here. Very, very simple. And what you're going to notice is after I'm done and I feel I'm done, I'm going to press up in the top right hand corner the little what looks like a page with an arrow in it. I'm going to click on that and it's going to open up the iPhone's native or built-in app for working with email. So there's sort of a two-step process here. If you're satisfied with this email, all you have to do is in the top right hand corner, click on the blue arrow to send this email. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to send that. I'm going to click on delete draft to get rid of it. And now what you'll notice, and this is something that I'm not really satisfied with, is that when I went and did that, Jill Smith sort of disappeared. And that sort of surprised me a little bit when that happened. So I'm going to go up top in the left-hand corner and I'm going to type in Jill Smith. There she is. I have her in here a couple times. This is the second one I've done. That's the one I just created a little while ago. And you'll notice at this point I can do a couple other things. One, I can click on the website address. Now, I happen to know that goes to ABC Television's website. Having said that, I'm not going to do that. The phone number. This particular iPad is not set up to call, but if I click on the phone number, you'll see it's told me it's not available. That's okay. Next, if I want to go down and send a text, you'll notice that I have two numbers here. I have the phone number and the mobile number. To the right of the mobile number is a little square box, sort of a comment area, and at this point, I can send a text to this person. And for a lot of people, this can be a real big advantage to be able to do this. So again, if I want to send a text, I just type in my message, and then all I do is click on the green arrow to the right of my message, and that will send my text. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click cancel. But you might find that useful in this particular case. So send an email, visit the website. If it's designed to be phone call ready, you can make a phone call from here, send a text. You're good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.